everybody, welcome back. I've got a super quick video for you today. We're cooking ramen. Go to the store, you can get any flavor of ramen, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you exactly how I love to cook it, coming up next. It does not matter what flavor ramen you buy, because the first thing we're gonna do when we open this up, use my teeth, you get your flavor packet out, you throw it away. Just throw it away. You don't need it. We got our boiling water. All we're gonna do is break our ramen up into the pot. You know how to cook ramen. Just get it in the pot. I like to cook too because I got a big appetite. This meal is excellent breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And now we're gonna get our quick sauce ready, coming right at you. So our super secret sauce is peanut butter. Who doesn't love peanut butter? Seriously. You'll love it. You gotta try it. All we need is one big dollop of peanut butter. And to make this easier to stir into our ramen when it's done, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, our ramen's done. Now what you wanna do is you wanna drain most of the water. You wanna leave just a little bit, because that is gonna help your sauce. It's gonna make a really nice peanut sauce. So you drain out. You want to leave yourself at least a half a cup of water in the bottom of this pan. We come right over here. We're going to go right in with our peanut sauce. See how creamy that peanut butter is now that we put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. We're going to get all that peanut butter in there. Trust me, this is excellent. It's so good. It's so good. Eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then we just stir that in. Like I said, putting that in the microwave and melting it really makes it a lot easier. You don't have to, but that is definitely a trick I learned when making this recipe. All right, so we have our peanut sauce all stirred into our ramen. If it gets too thick on you, it will thicken up. You can just add a little bit more water, get it the consistency that you like. Then we're gonna come in with soy sauce to your taste. No set amount, just however much you like. Come in with the soy sauce and peanut butter, so good together. Give that a stir. Get that all nice and mixed in. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, let's come over here to our bowl. This is a perfect late night snack too. Like I said, perfect for a morning after maybe you stayed up a little too long, maybe doing some stuff you shouldn't have been doing, you know what I'm saying? But now we're gonna come in with some, you can eat it like this. A lot of times I just eat it like this, but if you wanna make it a little colorful, we'll do some green onions. And then we have some chopped bacon. I just fried a couple pieces of bacon. Oh, look at that. Everything is better with bacon. Let's come in, and why not? Hey, fried egg. Why not? Finish off with some hot sauce of your choice. I like sriracha. Oh, look at that. That's it. That's it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. All right, let's try it out. Let's get in here. I'm gonna break this yolk. That's what you gotta do with a fried egg. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That is, if your eyes don't roll in the back of your head when you eat that, you just don't have eyeballs. That's it. That's the only reason. That's so good. So easy. Ramen, peanut butter, soy sauce, toppings of your choice, fried egg if you want, or just eat it with the ramen and peanut butter. Whatever. It's awesome. Throw away the flavor packet. Get the salt bomb out of there. Buy if any kind you want. We'll see you next time. This is so good. Bye-bye.